Let's take a look at this 5 Strands food intolerance test. Now, 5 Strands did send this to me so that I could try it out, take the test, and let you know all about it. Today, we are just going to talk about the unboxing and then the actual hair strand test and what's inside the box. One of the things I think is really cool and I'm interested in seeing is it does test up to 640 different kinds of food intolerances. So I'm interested to see what the results play out. So let's go and open it up. Here is a quick close-up of the box. To open it, you just rip off the little cardboard across the top, and then the box pops open, showing you all the instructions. The very first thing you do need to do is register your code, which is in this bag right here. Inside your box, this is everything you're going to find. You have this little card here that on the back has your unique code on it so you can register your product. You have this little informational booklet. You have a shipping label to ship your hair strands back to the company. And then you have your bags for putting your hair sample in and your bag to mail everything back into them. Registering your test online is really easy. You just set up an account, answer a couple questions, and then put in the code that's on the back of this card and on the back of this bag. I've got my bag of hair right here. It just takes 10 to 15 hair strands from anywhere on your body. And then you're going to take this bag, stick it in here, seal it up. Your code is on the back of it. And then you're going to put everything back in this box, close it up, put it in this bag here, add the mailing label, and send it off to 5 Strands. And in 7 to 10 days, you should have your food intolerance test results. I'll report back once I get the test results, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out.